The perfect balance of art and technology. The sleek look of sophistication. Tomorrow's comforts are here today. With refined curves and a stunning form, Veil is state-of-the-art performance sculpted for the ultimate comfort. One-touch control of cleansing features. A seat cover that automatically opens and closes with adjustable sensing distance. The ergonomic French curve seat is shaped for comfort. The front wash cleanses gently with air-infused water using 78 fine nozzles. Pulsating wash cleanses and massages. And spiral spray wash effectively cleanses a broad area. Sterilized water disinfects the nozzle after each use. An automatic UV light sanitizes the nozzle every 24 hours. Warm air drying maintains cleanliness and comfort. And the automatic deodorizer keeps your bathroom fresh. All-round powerful flushing combines with a rimless bowl for optimal hygiene. Double jets siphon efficiently and powerfully to clean completely. For a cleaner look and even more space, Veil also comes in a wall-mounted model. All the form and function of the Veil, with the water tank hidden away in the wall. With 3 different models to suit your design needs. Kohler Veil, when technology meets art.
Hi everyone, Mike Marbach here, and this is the Santa Rosa toilet from Kohler. Compact in size, this Santa Rosa toilet is perfect for those who want to fit an elongated toilet into a small space. Its one-piece design offers a distinct high-end look, and without tank seams, it's extremely easy to clean. Best of all, it's loaded with power. Rather than a standard flapper valve, this Santa Rosa toilet features a patented flush engine. There's no flapper, which means no leaks, no problems. It's just full-out power. Plus, this toilet provides 50% more rinse than previous Kohler models, giving you a cleaner bowl after every flush. Now let's talk water savings. This WaterSense certified toilet features a 1.28 gallon flush, which means you'll save about $100 a year on your water bill compared to an older 3.5 gallon toilet. Another great feature of the Santa Rosa toilet is comfort height seating. Kohler comfort height toilets are about the height of a standard chair, making it much easier to sit and stand. At Kohler, we build the finest toilets you can buy. No matter which you choose, Kohler toilets are engineered to save water without sacrificing performance, and they're built to last for years to come.
Now, there is truly a better way to save water without sacrificing performance. American Standard H2 option toilets introduce patent-pending siphonic action technology that uses 25% less water, eliminates more bulk, and maintains a cleaner bowl than current washdown flush technologies.